Hey guys, Midnight Hatter here, and today we're making these. Hey guys, today I wanted to make a video about D&D, specifically for Dungeon Masters. Now I'm not going to teach you how to run a game of D&D. There are plenty of other guys out there that can do a better job of that than I can. Chances are if you're here, you already follow Matt Colville, Matthew Mercer, and How to Be a Great GM. If not, I will put links in the description to their videos because they can give you a great foundational knowledge of where to start. So I'm going to focus on the minutiae of running a game, how to engage your players, and how to elevate the role-playing experience using tips and tricks, props, and all sorts of things that don't break the bank. Now, as a professional graphic designer, I don't often get to bring home the skills that I use in designing packaging and use them for something as fun as Dungeons & Dragons, but today that's exactly what I'm going to do. So there are plenty of places online that you can find die lines and packaging inspiration. A die line is the file that a graphic designer uses when they're designing product packaging. It's basically that 3D object flattened out so that you can see all sides of it and make sure that there's artwork on all sides. This book here is available on issue. It's a free collection of die lines and inspirations. I'm going to make that available in the description below. So what I've done is I've taken a couple of the files from this book and I'm going to turn them into Papercraft props that we can use for our Dungeons & Dragons campaign. Similar products that are made of metal and wood would probably set you back between $50 and $70 if you bought them on Etsy. So today we're making two props. One is this triangular scroll case that I'm going to make out of two-sided cardstock. And then I'm also going to make for you a buckle box that is going to be glued down to a piece of cardboard for that structured rigidity that we're looking for. I've made the designs for these packages available on DM's Guild, as well as a few other things. I'm going to put a link in the description for you to check them out on your own. What we're going to need for these projects is a little bit of cardstock. It's a little heavier than your standard printer paper. We're going to need a hobby knife, and probably a pair of scissors. You are also going to need a glue stick. So using my design files, if you are lucky enough to have a two-sided printer, you're going to print out both sheets, front and back. I don't, but I made the files easy enough to use that you can just print one side, flip it over, and print the other. And we're going to cut these guys out. Now we have the basic structure down. That's our triangular box. We just need to fill that part in. Now, what you're going to do here is conveniently match up the letters to their corresponding tabs. And there you have it, a triangular case, perfect for storing those scrolls or secret missives that you need to deliver to your party. And now we are going to make our buckle box. The process for this is going to be a little bit different because we are actually going to be mounting it to a piece of old cardboard to give it a little bit more structured rigidity. So now we're going to fold the tabs of the outside of the box over the ugly seam lines that you get from the cardboard. Now, before we put the whole thing together, we should make the buckles. Now that we've got all of our parts assembled, let's assemble the box. So that's it. That's how easy it can be to make some Papercraft props to use in your D&D campaign and really elevate your role-playing. Next time we'll probably talk about my random dungeon generator that I'm about to post on DM's Guild, so stay tuned for that. Thanks guys, have a good one. Hey guys, if you like that video, please like, share, and subscribe. If you really like the video, check out my merch available on Society 6 and DM's Guild. Links below in the description. New products added every week. Thanks. Catch you later.